Let me show you how you can get those bold lines around your cells in numbers for your Mac. So here I am in my table 1. I got those default lines. Be sure that the correct table is selected and then head to the cell format menu on the right. Not the table itself, but the cell. From here, select all borders, and now you can change the border style. So line, line color, and finally the thickness of the line. Take a look. All of the cells are affected by that. Let's undo and try again with just few cells selected. So I can select just few cells manually with my mouse, and again cell menu, all lines, and now I can make those here thicker in the middle of existing table. So the common mistake is people just stay in the table menu and look at the table outline. That's only the outside line. It will only change your outside line. So you cannot use that to make any other line bolder or thicker. So be sure you switch from table to cell. If you are in the cell, then you can decide that you want to affect all of the lines. That's this button here, all borders. With this selected, you can now modify colors, thickness, whatever you like, but you need to be sure all borders are selected. Alright, I hope this was helpful, and keep in mind you can play with just certain borders as well, like outside, inside, left and right. So experiment a bit. Thank you for today. See you in the next one.